In this baseline, you have the ability to select one or multiple resources that you wish to monitor. In this case, I look to use the demo user one. In this case, you also have the ability to monitor any changes, or if you're only interested in specific changes, you have the ability to select them. So in this case, we could look for things like the display name, the job title, and potentially the office location. Once you're happy, you can set the baseline label. This is your identifier for this baseline. And if you did wish, you have the ability to create groups in which those groups have the ability to have multiple users added for your convenience. Once you're happy with this baseline, you would select Save Baseline. Once this is created, if you were to pull additional information, you will see that there is all clean baseline. All of your resources currently match. Now, in an example, if one of the properties that we chose happened to have changed, in this case, we'll go display name, we'll call it demo broken one. We'll also go ahead and change the job title to not a job, and we'll save the content. What this then does is based on a reoccurring cycle, or if you were to manually prompt this, if you were to pull live data, you can see that we have a drift. That drift itself is the job title and the display name, the three properties that we displayed. Now, one of the benefits to this is that we have the ability to restore at a property level, restore at a resource level, or restore all. In this case, I'll restore the job title at a property level, in which this will push the job title from not a job back to job title, in which, if we refresh, it's back to job title. Now we can see demo broken one is still the display name. If we were to go back and pull, you'll see that job title is now fixed, but display name is still broken. In this case, we'll restore it at a resource level. What this will do is it'll check for all of the required fixes that can be done automatically through API. And once complete, will result back to demo user one as the display name.